Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a beautiful tulip flower along with its elegant leaf. This project is perfect for beginners and experienced crocheters alike. You only need a few basic stitches and you'll be amazed at how real your tulip looks. In this video, I'll show you how to crochet a beautiful tulip flower along with its leaf, perfect for spring decorations, gifts, or handmade bouquets. This step-by-step tutorial is beginner-friendly, using simple stitches to create a stunning, realistic tulip and a graceful leaf. Grab your yarn and crochet hook and let's create something beautiful together. Materials used: yarn for flower and leaf, crochet hook, size recommended for your yarn, scissors, yarn needle, floral wire, optional for stem. First, we'll start by crocheting the tulip flower. We'll work with simple stitches, make a magical knot, and then to start one chains, half double crochet in magical ring. We will do 8 half double crochet, close with slip stitch. Row 2 single crochet in every chain I. E 16 single crochet. Third row, 1 chain, 2 single crochet in 1 chain, and then 2 times single crochet in every chain. Continue the pattern closed with slip. Close with slip stitch. The flower's ready. We'll move on to making the leaf in the next video. And that's it. You'll have a gorgeous handmade tulip, perfect for bouquets, home decor, gifts, or just a fun craft project. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial.